Hello guys! We are here at Yokang Street kung saan may sikat na Michelin restaurant na dinadayo ng mga tourists and travelers. Ito ang Yokang Beef Noodles since 1963. The original chef founded ang Yokang Street in 1963 by a veteran named Mr. Cheng, offering a spicy comforting dish that became a Taiwanese icon. Later taken over by the Luo family who perfected the recipe and maintained its fame, perfecting the bowl of Taiwanese beef noodles. Decades later, dala pa rin nila ang parehong recipe, slow cook, rich, at puno ng kwento. Ang bestseller nila, syempre ang braised beef noodle soup. Malinaw pero malalim ang broth, tender ang beef at sakto ang kapit ng noodles. Mayroon din silang half tendon, half beef, dry beef noodles at mga classic sides like braised tofu at pickled veggies. We also ordered steamed hog large intestine. Dahil sa consistency at quality, kinilala sila ng Michelin Beef Gourmand kasama na ang 2020 selection, patunay na hindi kailangan ng fine dining restaurant para maging world class. We're done eating here! Grabe, sobrang sarap. Ito yung beef noodles na hahanapin mo sa malamig na weather. Masarap din yung steamed hog large intestine and pickled cucumber. Sa bawat higop, ramdam mo ang oras, effort at passion. Sa Taipei, ang isang bowl ng beef noodles pwedeng maging isang memory and history. I also ordered my takeout. Ayun lang guys, see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!